Ever wanted to chat with everyone at once? Let's dive into creating a group chat in WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. You'll want to be on the main chat screen. Look for the new chat icon on iPhones. It's usually in the top right corner, a little square with a pencil on Android. It's typically a speech bubble icon in the bottom right. Tap that. Now, you'll see a few options. Select new group. This is where the magic happens. Here's your contact list. You can scroll through to find the people you want to add, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific contacts. Tap the circle next to each person's name to select them for your new group. Once you've picked all your desired participants, look for the arrow or next button, usually in the bottom right, and tap on it. This is where you give your group a name. Tap on the group subject field and type in something descriptive, like family fun, project team, or book club. You can also tap the camera icon if you want to add a group picture. After naming your group, hit the green check mark or create button. And there you have it. Your group chat is ready to go. Now you can send messages, photos, videos, and important updates to everyone in the group all at once. It's perfect for staying organized and connected. Happy grouping! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.